Hi guys, it's Matthew again, and it's our fourth strategy for today. We're trading the Volatility 50 1x index. We're trading the end outside. We're on the Smart Trader interface. So after this trade, I'm going to explain how this strategy works. So we drop the touch, no touch strategies today, and we drop the Volatility 30 1x end outside. So this is the Volatility 50 1x end outside strategy. So let's wait for this end of the trade so I can explain how this strategy works. So these are time count right here. So we have 55 seconds left right here. So these are the barriers. It's the high one, this is the low one. So as you can see, we want that trade right there. We were outside, so we want that trade right there. So I'm going to explain this strategy to you right now. So we are on the D-Trader interface, and we stated earlier we're trading the Volatility 51x, and this is we're on the Smart Trader interface, So once you log into your trading account, you go to Smart Trader, and you go to Volatility 51x right there under the derived synthetic indices. So you go to the trade type here, you click on the hands between / hands outside. So duration, you set it to 3 minutes. The high barrier offset, you set it to 134, and the low barrier offset, you set it to minus 134.59 for the high barrier offset, and for the low barrier offset, minus 228.08, minus 228.08. So we're going to be placing our trade once the number here is below 30. It could be 28, 29. The last two numbers here has to be below 30. The last two numbers here. So we're going to be clicking on hands outside. The last two numbers here must be below 30. The last two numbers here could be 20, 29, 21. So let's wait. That has to be below 30. That's 33, 36, 76, 68, 76, 29. So I stated earlier it has to be below 30. So I've clicked on make sure you watch carefully. The number has to be below 30. So let's wait for the outcome of that trade. See, our barrier is not visible yet. It's not visible yet. So this is the time count. Make sure you set the time to 3 minutes. This is our high barrier. This is the high barrier. And we are still outside. So let's wait for the outcome of the trade. So we cross the high barrier and cross the low barrier as well. So remember, we're trading the end outside, so our trade must end outside this barrier, this high and low barrier. So we have 9 seconds left. So as you can see, we won that trade. We made $8.24 right there. We remember we stayed high, so it depends on what you have in your account. But this strategy is 100% guaranteed. We'll be using it for a while now, so we're sharing it for you guys. So just make sure you watch carefully before you place your trade. Make sure the number is below 30 before you place your trade. So for those who haven't purchased the Tosca boat and the P50 boat, they both work on Deriv and they're automated. Check the link in the video description to order any of the boats. And we're also giving away gifts when you order any of our boats. You get some gifts. For the buy sell indicator, check the video description. Make sure you subscribe to our channels. Check the video description to order the boats. The links are there. And for those who don't have a trading account, here is a link to sign up for a free trading account to test the strategies on demo. So here is the link to subscribe to our channel. That's the first channel, that's the second channel, and that's the third channel. So for the buy sell indicator for Forex, we're giving it away for free. It works on Deriv and Deriv MT5 and other Forex broker platforms that support MT5. You can use it to trade your synthetic indices and your Forex pairs as well. To get it for free, sign up for a free trading account. Use the link below and follow the instructions right there. And for those who already have an account, you can order the buy sell indicator here for $12. And these are the links to order the P50 boat and the Tosca boat. This is the P50 boat. Check the video description for all these infos. This is the link to order the Tosca boat. And for those who don't have a trading account, use this link to sign up for a free trading account. And these are the links to subscribe to our channels. There are other infos there that might be useful. Check the video description on YouTube. So I'm going to see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.